Oh,
Oh, a little fast.
back up and try again.
Can you show us how you can do it nice and slowly?
Come here.
There you go. That's pretty good.
That was pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Let's do it once more. Hold on. Mommy's got to back up. Mama's got to back up. Oh, jeez. Oh, my.
Oh, now you just want to run again. Okay.
Turn around, see if she can do.
Okay. Get to Mommy. Oh, go slowly. Nice and slow. Good job. You don't know where to go.
Even a few sips of the booze, you're kind of teetering. That's fun. You're doing a good job, honey.
Okay, now you're going to destroy the laundry again. Whew.